Ever wondered how India's stock market reflects the pulse of the economy? Well, that's where the Sensex comes in. Tracking the top 30 companies on the Bombay Stock Exchange, it's a key player in India's financial world. But what's next for the Sensex? Let's talk about its future and why you might want to consider investing in it for the long haul. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So, what is Sensex? The Sensex is short for Sensitive Index. It's an index of India's 30 biggest and most influential companies, think giants like Reliance, TCS and HDFC Bank. These companies are market leaders, making the Sensex a great barometer for India's overall economic health. So why should you invest in it? While small cap and mid cap stocks can give you high returns, they are often more volatile, especially in tough times. The Sensex, on the other hand, is made up of large cap companies known for their stability and resilience. These companies weather economic storms better, making Sensex a reliable choice for long-term investments. So, India is on its track to become the world's third largest economy by 2030. With rapid industrialization, growing investments, and a rising middle class, India's economy is on fire, and so are the companies listed on the Sensex. So, let's look at the numbers. Over the last decade, the Sensex has grown by around 10% annually. From around 29,000 points in 2015, it reached over 76,000 points in 2025. Now, if this trend continues, the Sensex could hit 1,34,972 points by 2030, double that by 2035, and reach over 5,63,813 points by 2045. And that's just a historical growth scenario. For a faster growing India, at a 12% growth rate, the Sensex could jump to 1,50,000 in 2030 and soar to over 8 lakhs in 2045. But what if growth slows down? If the Sensex grows at a more conservative 8% CAGR, it could reach 1,20,901 by 2030, 1,77,644 points by 2035 and 3,83,520 points by 2045. So how can you capitalize on this growth? What should be your investment strategy? Should you invest in individual stocks or go for mutual funds? Direct stocks need time and expertise, but mutual funds offer convenience and flexibility. You can choose index funds which replicate the Sensex for passive investment, or go for actively managed fund targeting high growth sectors like IT, renewable energy and digital finance. With expert management, these funds can outperform the Sensex, giving you better opportunities for growth. So ready to start? You don't need to buy individual stocks. You can invest in index mutual funds or ETFs that track the Sensex. But if you want the potential for higher returns, actively managed funds could be the way to go. So here's the thing. Investing in the Sensex is great, but you need a strategy. That's where a certified financial planner like a CFP comes in. They will manage the risk and make the most of the opportunities out there. So are you ready to secure your financial future by riding India's growth wave? The Sensex could be the key to your long-term wealth. But remember, the right plan can make all the difference. So stay informed, plan wisely and invest smartly. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more financial tips. And if you are thinking about getting serious with investing, make sure to click on the link on the description to consult with one of our certified financial planner for professional guidance. See you in the next video with more in such interesting financial insights. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.